Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ticket to Invest, bringing you back with another portfolio update. Yes, sir. And look, man, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, to all of my Palantir shareholders, family, please do not be mad at me, guys. Please don't. But your boy bought a put for Palantir. And wait, before y'all comment, I'm gonna tell y'all why. The reason why I bought a put is because sooner or later, I just feel like we have to be exhausted on just ripping and ripping and ripping. If you are at least a decent investor, you'll know a stock does not always just go up and up and up every single day. Sooner or later, when a stock has a a very good couple days of just going up, it's gonna have that pullback because people are gonna be taking their profits. They are gonna sell their shares, and I just feel like tomorrow might be that day. Like, I had a couple option calls, which was today, and I sold them both actually for 148 for profit, which I'm grateful about, guys. Your boy actually made profit yesterday, and I didn't think I was gonna make profit, but I'm grateful right now because Palantir actually ripped today, breaking and making me some money. You know what I mean? But like I said, right now I'm 5 for 5 on options. We also have PayPal earnings that came out today, and this could be 6 for 6 on Palantir if this goes down the next day, which I really hope it does because I want to keep buying more and more shares. And the reason why I say I hope, because I bought a couple shares at the high, and this average cost went up like 10 cents. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing this no more. I'm not buying no more shares at the high. I'm good. So now I'm gonna just wait for the dip, which I hope is tomorrow, guys. You know, I'm still a long-term bull on Palantir. I just wish I could get more shares. And you know, I also want to make money, so that's why I bought a put, because I am predicting that this stock is gonna go down tomorrow at least to 22 or maybe to 21 something, which I hope it does, so I can buy more. But guys, we have PayPal earnings that came out today after hours, which I bought a put of, because if I'm being honest, guys, I'm not really a big fan of PayPal. I bought PayPal before, and back then on 2022 or 2021, the metric for this stock wasn't really good. And after that, I just sold it because it kept going down. Because I bought this stock when it was at close to $100, and I bought it and it was just going down until it finally hit like 50 or $60. I'm just like, I'm done. I cannot do this. It's too much. Which back then, your boy was a day trader. I really wasn't a buy and hold trader like how I am today, which I'm really grateful of, because buying and holding is less risky than day trading, you know, because it's more volatile if you day trade. But the reason why PayPal is down right now is because the forward guidance for EPS for this year, it missed on expectations. So that's why PayPal is down at least a couple percentage, not a lot. Like at first it was down to 59, if I could show you, to 60. Well, I could swear I saw 59, but this thing was down 5%. And you know, right now I'm 5 for 5 for options. So like I said, you know, I should probably go to go buy like a lottery ticket or something, because your boy 5 for 5, like, bro, I called it not too long ago that freaking Palantir was gonna rip, and I made 480 off those option calls. And then the next day, which is today, I made 148. And then now PayPal is gonna make me some money. Like, bro, that's crazy. I just hope I do not get IB crushed, because if your boy get IB crushed, I'm gonna get sad, and it's already at 150. Oh my god. Well, I mean, at least this is under 1, so that's pretty good. But look, guys, like I said, that is my update on my portfolio. Do not be mad at me. Please do not be mad at me, bro. It's just common sense for Palantir to at least get a pullback, a decent pullback at least. But look, guys, I'm going to catch y'all later, guys. Take care, and I'll see y'all next time, guys. Peace.